Today, I'm going to show you how to create text that appears word by word, like super smooth, directly in Premiere Pro in 2 minutes. Quick thing first, Smoothify is now in the ring on blinkl.io, completely free, so if you haven't installed it yet, I'll drop the link in the description. Alright, let's get into it. Add your text, type out your sentence. And on the preview, make sure it's right in the center. Pick your font. I'm going with SF Pro, like this. Center it right here, and check that it's centered correctly in the preview. Perfect. Now we're going to apply 2 effects on this layer. First effect, crop. Then the second effect, transform. In the transform effect, set the shutter angle somewhere between 180 and 360 degrees. That's what gives you that super smooth motion blur on the animation, you know? Alright, keyframes now. On position, drop a first keyframe with the text sitting just slightly below its final position. 1 to 2 seconds later, you reset it. It slides back up into place. On opacity, 0 at the start, 100 just a little before the end. Now normally, at this point, you'd have to open the graph editor and start messing with your Bézier curves by hand. That takes forever. It's honestly kind of a pain, but with Smoothify, it's done in literally 1 click. Place your playhead between the 2 position keyframes, open the ring, Control plus right-click, or your keyboard shortcut. Go to Smoothify. Click on your preset, or just set the curve to smooth curve like this. Now, bottom left, make sure you select only position, not opacity. Hit apply. Your curve is perfect, 0 hassle. Now here's where the real technique comes in. Duplicate the layer as many times as there are words in your sentence. My sentence has 3 words, so I duplicate it 3 times. Offset the start of each layer by 4 to 6 frames from the previous one. And on each layer, use the crop effect to isolate a single word. First layer, first word. Second layer, second word. Third layer, third word. And that's the result. Each word pops up one after the other with that same smooth motion. Your smooth text animation, done in 2 minutes thanks to Smoothify. Smoothify is included in blinkl. Link in the description. Subscribe for more Premiere Pro and Smoothify tutorials.